to do my routine, I have to do my movement. And I'm just concerned with my lapel. It's full, so I cannot do the... So that's it. But I'm happy. And guys, thank you so much for supporting me. I really appreciate it.
Yeah!
If you want to be part of my family, let's go to the nearest church.
Thank you.
Right.
Will you wear this when you perform in Santa Lucia?
Yes, ma'am, I wear this, especially when the light is off. Because when the light is on, it cannot see. And if the light is off,
I don't understand what they're shouting. Ano yung sinisigaw nila?
yun, come again!
Do support!
Yun!
And do support!
Okay, settle down. Katahimikan. Ang ibig sabihin ko ng edu support, ma'am. Support.
Support.
Supportahan, edu support. Pag mabilis, edu support, paulit-ulit, nawawala yung R.
Yeah, why? That's why that's the kind of picture. So at least now I know.
Yeah.
Alright. Good job. Best of luck.
May lang din sa'yo.
Hindi, yan ang style namin na maliliit eh.
Take it out.
Nakahiyas lang. Kasalanan niya yun eh. Okay, go.
Nag-enjoy ako sa'yo ah.
Yeah!
Ma'am, talaga po, nag-enjoy po kayo sa akin? Ma'am, mas mag-enjoy po kayo pag binisita niyo po ako sa salon.
Yeah!
Okay, I will do that.
Marami pa po akong kayang gawin. Kaya kong mag-tumbling. Joke.
Kaya mo habang naganyan mo yung bago tapos oh my God, if you can do that, I bet you'll be the one doing it.
Talaga ma'am, hindi ko po kaya yun ma'am. Pero para sa inyo ma'am, gagawin ko po yun.
Yeah!
I have a question for you.
Yes, go ahead.
Ma'am, Crayola ka po ba? Kayo, Crayon?
Bakit?
Kasi ma'am, binigyan mo ng kulay yung buhay ko.
Yeah!